I want to quickly talk to you about forward financing. And when you think about forward financing, I want you to think about an alternative lender, that's for sure. But an alternative lender that's actually pretty specialized in some niches. I'll actually elaborate later on what I mean here. But what I love about forward financing is that, of course, you get funded real fast. That's number one. They don't ask a lot of paperwork. That's number two. And number three, they have excellent customer service. You will love their customer service. It's just amazing. Okay. So let's first talk about. Let's go back to forward financing 101. What's the company all about here? So if you think about forward financing, I want you to think about a fintech company that actually started in 2012. Okay, so they've been around nearly 15 years now. So 2012, and for the last 10 to 15 years, they have worked with thousands of small businesses. Okay, in terms of financing, whether long-term or short-term financing. So that's pretty good. I mean, so that tells you a lot about a proven track record there. So they've been working with a lot of businesses, and so far they have closed nearly a quarter of a billion. Okay, in terms of business funding. So that's a lot if you think about it. A fintech company that can close $250 million in business loans. That's really fantastic. What I love about this company also is that in terms of revenue, in terms of the revenue requirements, they're not really as strict as your traditional lenders, such as banks and credit unions. So forward financing will work with you if you have even less than 10 grand a year, $10,000 a year. I mean, for a business, that's way more than decent. Okay, so if you are in business and you're not making 10 grand a year, after a while, you got to ask yourself whether or not you should be in the right sector. So that's important. And when it comes to forward financing, they also they offer business term loans, but they primarily focus on merchant cash advances. Okay, so that's actually their bread and butter, the bread and butter. Okay, merchant cash advances, MCAs. They're pretty good at that. But if you want other kinds of financing, they can arrange that for you also. So let me elaborate more when I speak about forward financing. Basically, you have a company, a fintech, that's been around 10, 15 years that focuses a lot on MCAs. Even though, again, they actually will work with you if you reach out to them and you need some alternative type of financing, they can really do that for you. Okay, but their bread and butter is actually MCS. So MCS stands for Merchant Cash Advance. This is a some kind of revenue-based financing program where a company, you as a borrower, you will receive a lump sum of working capital in exchange for a percentage of future sales. Okay, that has worked fantastically well for forward financing the last few years, in the last 10 to 15 years. So basically, that means that you got to have some kind of sales. You gotta generate some kind of revenue to actually reach out to a business funder, such as forward financing. Okay, so the amount you borrow is typically based on your average monthly revenue. So repayment for an MCA at forward financing comes from a fixed percentage of future daily sales. That means that if your daily revenue fluctuates, so does your payments. Okay, so low revenue days mean a lower payment, while higher revenue days mean a higher payment. So this is important. And this process will stay in place until you pay off the full amount. And so since the payments depend on your daily cash flow, the repayment terms are more flexible. So repayment terms on merchant cash advances at the forward financing and others can extend beyond the 12-month maximum term for the short-term financing products. One thing I want to say here is that it's just a lot better before you get into any contract with forward financing to actually reach out to the company, give them a call first, and have a conversation with customer service, and then you can ask all questions there, then and there, and you can clarify all provisions of the future loan agreement that you're about to sign with them. That way, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So, what are the qualifications here? So, if you're interested in having a loan from forward financing, what kind of credit score should you be having? Well, forward financing is not really a focus a lot on your FICO score. Like I said, they care about your revenue. They care about your company's revenue. So even if you had a FICO score of 300, but you had revenue of 1 billion, forward financing will do business with you because they care about fluctuations in your daily sales or weekly sales for that matter. Okay, but at a minimum, if you actually have a FICO score of 500 or 400, no problem. Forward financing will work with you. Okay. What about the cash flow and business bank account? Well, they want you to really have, of course, you got to have a business bank account because they'll be asking you to include bank statements showing cash flow in your business accounts because that's how they will. Because otherwise, if you just tell them, listen, I'm generating this amount of revenue every day, how can they verify that if you don't have a business like bank statements? Okay, so you got to have a business account, and basically forward financing wants to see a minimum monthly revenue requirements of $1,000 to $10,000, depending on the niche that you're in. What about time in business? Again, the time in business actually it's not really a major criterion for them. Okay, of course, forward financing wants you to be in business for a long time because that really speaks well about your stable revenue. But even if you are a brand new company, but you're able to generate sales real fast, and you're able to prove that those sales are legit and those sales are consistent, forward financing will work with you, not a problem. Okay. So one thing I want to say here is that don't forget if you go with forward financing, you are going to pay. You might pay. I just want to use the conditional. You might pay. Let's say fees, okay, origination fees, closing fees, and that really depend again on the deal that you have with them. Sometimes they charge origination fees, sometimes they don't. So you just have to make sure that you can negotiate as hard as possible to make sure you're getting the best deal. And you know what, it is in their interest to have a good deal with you too. So they'll work with you to give you the best rate they can. So, how do you apply to forward financing this year? So, if you, I've already established the fact that forward financing specializes mostly in MCAs, but if you want other types of financing, they can really arrange that for you. You just need to reach out to them, not a problem. Okay, they will work with you. Their specialty is revenue based financing, but they will really work with you. Okay, so the application process through forward financing is actually streamlined, very easy, very straightforward. You will need to prepare some info ahead of time so that you're not surprised actually once you go through the process. Okay. And the reason why you want to have everything on hand is that you can really accelerate the process. So just make sure you have your company's name and EIN. So EIN, employer identification number, or your own social security number, okay, or your tax ID. Make sure you have the business owner's name, and make sure you have bank statements for the previous 3 months. Okay, they will ask you. Sometimes they ask you for 6 months, depending on the amount of the amount of funding you need. So the larger the loan amount that you want, the longer the period of bank statements they want to see. So maybe from 3 months, they might want to see 6 months if you are asking for millions of dollars in business funding. So this is important to remember. And so once you have that, you just want to reach out to a forward financing. I think I said this before. Reach out to them, explain the situation to them, and make sure that you are basically you answer all questions. The application itself is pretty straightforward. It's actually it will take you 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes, you're done. they will ask you to upload some documents to their website. So just get those documents ready, okay? So documents can bank statements, right? You have your company's articles of incorporation. In some cases, they might ask you to provide your business tax returns. So either your 1065 or 1120S or 1120, depending on your company's legal structure. Okay, and once you send that, they will review it. The review takes about 6 hours all the way to 72 hours. And so once they reviewed you if you go through the whole underwriting process within 72 hours maximum, that's 3 days, you can be approved and funded. So that's really good. And once you're funded, they will send the money directly to the business bank account that you actually have provided during your application process. So, what are the advantages of forward financing as a revenue based funder? Let's quickly talk about that. I mean, one thing for sure, the fast process is really, the speed is really fantastic. Okay. So, you will love the fact that they're very speedy, they're very fast in funding all kinds of programs, all kinds of industries. So, you can get, I think I just told you, you're getting your cash within 70, or within 70. I apologize. Let me drink some water here. So basically, I was just talking about the fact that you get access to. Sorry about that. You get access to your cash real fast. So that's really good. So 3 days maximum. That's really fantastic. And also, I should say that basically, the fast funding time is a lifesaver when you think about it. If your business is, let's say, in an emergency, let's say you need a working capital real fast to take care of a something, let's say payroll or inventory, whatever, and forward financing can really give you that cash. Okay, and also what you will love also is the variety of loan programs that forward financing has. Of course, they focus on revenue based financing, but the fact that you have options in case you should need it, that's a good thing to know to know. Okay, and you also have some flexibility with payments since the payment amount depends on revenue. So when you as a borrower anticipate revenue shortfalls, there are also potential options for payment relief. However, adjustment payments actually are done on a case by case basis. Okay. You also have the fact that this company, even though it has been in business for less than 15 years, has a strong online reputation. On the flip side, basically, the high cost of funding is actually a major drawback if you were to consider forward financing this year. Okay, basically, so also if you pay off the loan amounts earlier, you're not saving anything. In other words, it's the same cost anyway. So sometimes you have incentives that lenders put in place to encourage borrowers to pay off their loans earlier. But for forward financing, that's not the case. So, what are the pros and cons of forward financing here? So, the pros first, if you think about forward financing as a revenue based financing program, the quick turnaround time on getting funds is really the major draw, right? And again, it's not about and this advantage has nothing to do with the industry. All industries will appreciate having their funds fast as well, and you're able to borrow a large amount. Sometimes it can go from 300,000 all the way to $3 million, depending on the niche you're in, but also depending on the strength of your revenue, the strength and stability in the kind of what I call revenue agility. Okay, how agile your revenue is. And the credit score that forward financing requires can go from the minimum can go from 500 all the way to 400. Okay, no collateral is required other than future sales, and so this is good. You have a fast and easy application process. You do have origination fees, even though they are relatively low compared to others. And also, you could have some possible payment relief. Okay, some cases. On the flip side, just remember that you might have to pay a personal guarantee. That's something that I really not pay. You have to sign a personal guarantee. So if something were to happen, you could be your personal assets could be on the hook. Okay, and also you have high fees and short repayment terms in some cases, especially if you are in an industry where revenue is kind of static. Okay, and also, the minimum revenue requirements could exclude actually some businesses that are really facing some headwinds. Okay, I mean, in this economy, you just never know, right? It's one of those things where you just never know what will happen 2 years from now, 3 years from now, or 5 years from now, or even 3 months from now, actually. I mean, this is something to really keep in mind. So, if you think about forward financing, I just want to reassure you that this is a legit fintech company, okay, financial technology company. So basically, they actually started in 2012, and on Trustpilot, the company has close to 2,000 reviews. Okay, so and most of those reviews are positive. I mean, 4.9 out of 5. That tells you a lot. So that's what I call a proven track record. I mean, of course, there are a few negative reviews, okay, but those are actually those represent less than 1% of the total reviews. That's kind of cool. So on Trustpilot, on Triple B, on Consumer Advocate, on all those review websites, basically forward financing has garnered pretty nice kudos. Okay, and people love the fact that they are fast at funding businesses. They are transparent in terms of their fees, and also they actually respond. They are really responsive. Their customer service are responsive. Okay, and on top of that, you can also qualify for credit, even if you have bad credit. If you have a low FICO score, forward financing could work with you because once again, the main criterion for approval is not your FICO score. It's basically your revenue, your revenue projections, your revenue anticipations. Those revenue projections will qualify you faster. So, like I said, even if you had a FICO score of 300, but a revenue amount of 1 billion, you stand all chances of being approved by forward financing. That's really good, and you can use forward financing the forward financing money for everything you need, like running marketing campaigns, hiring new staff, payroll, commissions, and accounts payable, stabilizing the cash flow during down periods, refinancing existing business debts, expanding your business, okay, equipment purchase and upgrades, purchasing wholesale inventory, paying business taxes, and also working capital and other expenses. So that's pretty good in terms of flexibility, in terms of agility. So that's really fantastic. As an epilogue into this conversation, I spoke to you about forward financing. I talked about what the company stands for, what they do. Okay, primarily MCAs. How do you qualify for business funding? Okay, and what are the pros and cons, the advantages and the disadvantages? Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.